If you want to eject the SIM tray from iPhone 17, but you lost or you don't have the eject tool for some reason, there are certain alternatives that you can use instead. Generally speaking, you want something sturdy that won't break when using a little bit of force, and something small so that it can fit this hole. You can, for example, use a paperclip, which you can unbend. You can unbend a small paperclip and use the pointed end to push it into the SIM tray hole. If you have like a small earring or piercing jewelry, it can work as well. A small stud earring with a thin post can fit into the hole. A thin safety pin can be used to press into the eject hole as well. And if you have a mechanical pencil, if the lead is retracted, the metal tip of a mechanical pencil may work. And you can also use a sturdy toothpick, preferably a plastic one, and it can help you with ejecting the SIM tray. So once you have, for example, one of these tools or something similar, you can put it into this SIM tray hole over here. There we go, and use a little bit of force to push it down into that hole so that the SIM tray can pop out. And then use your fingernails or fingers in order to remove the SIM tray from the phone. Now, once you have the SIM tray removed, of course, we have the SIM card slot. We need to match the shape of the slot and insert our SIM card like this. And then we can put it back into the phone. Be careful to not drop the SIM card in the meantime. And push it in with your fingers. Make sure that it is fully in, that it doesn't stick out, that the SIM tray doesn't stick out at all. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.